Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Tally Wukong easy method. Open the app, sign in, and tap the plus icon to start a new tally. Choose category and set quick presets for speed. Use the main counter to add or subtract counts with single taps and long press to edit totals. Sync to cloud when ready so your counts are backed up across devices. Practice on sample items to build confidence. Start by customizing categories and labels to match your workflow and set shortcuts for frequent items. Remember to enable tactile feedback if you prefer a physical feel when tapping. Review your history daily to spot trends and export CSV for deeper analysis when needed. Use color coding and emoji to speed visual scanning and consolidate similar tallies to avoid duplicates. If you work with a team, invite collaborators and assign simple permissions for shared tracking. When counts seem off, check for accidental taps and review the edit log, then restore a previous state if required. Keep app updated to receive bug fixes and new features that improve accuracy. For battery saving, limit background sync frequency and run a manual sync after major sessions to ensure consistent totals across devices. Practice on non-essential tallies before tracking critical data and use export backups as an extra safeguard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.